Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're going to make stuffed pork chops wrapped in bacon. Alright, now we got our stuffing in here with all of our veggies and our sausage, and then next all we need to do is be adding in our parsley. So we want to shut off our heat and then just sprinkle this right, and it's going to add that beautiful color and a nice flavor to our stuffing. Just go ahead and mix that through. See how beautiful that bright green color is. Just mix it through. It's going to be our great stuffing for our pork chops. Put that in. Again, you go ahead and turn off the heat. And what we want to do is kind of just set this aside and get it cool a little bit. And we'll start preparing our pork chops.